on that story. We're shifting focus now. Delhi AQI once again remains in the very poor category due to the raging farm fires, with a total of 351 instances of stubble burning recorded in Punjab. This marks the second highest daily count this pre-winter season. The highest was recorded on November the 1st, when Punjab witnessed a total of 442 instances of stubble burning in the state. This increase in stubble burning cases in the neighbouring states has cloaked the national capital with a thin layer of smog, slipping the air quality index back to the very poor category. Joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Arzu Seth with more details on this story. Arzu, we are seeing that the air quality is again dipping, and we are also seeing a rise in these farm fires and stubble fires across neighbouring states. Please take us through the details.
Well, definitely, the national capital has witnessed some improvement in the past 2 days. But yes, once again, today the AQI has went to very poor category. Today also, that AQI is above 300. The overall AQI is above 300 in the national capital, which means that, yes, the air is very poor, and it is going to impact the health of the people who are living in the national capital. Definitely, there are several sectors, there are several factors that are affecting the pollution in the national capital. The one is the vehicular pollution, and other is, as you also talked about, the farm fires, stubble burning that is taking place in the nearby state. So definitely the highest number has been recorded, and that situation is much more alarming, because in the coming days, if such number will increase, and also we are talking about that, if such number will increase, they are going to impact the pollution of the national capital. Already the AQI has went above 400 at many places in the national capital, and as far as the measures are concerned, the government is saying that they are taking all the measures to combat with the pollution. In fact, there are thousands of teams that has been deployed on ground to ensure that the dust is controlled, there is no open burning, but still there are some more precautions that needs to be taken, and also the permanent solution needs to be found to combat with the pollution of Delhi. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Arzu.